On today's menu, an easy and delicious recipe that will make you cuckoo for coconuts. Coconut rice pudding.
Lei Hou Ma everyone, I'm Will Young. This is a simple and delicious dessert you can make with only a few ingredients.
Saucepan. Half cup sushi or jasmine rice. Rinse and drain in cold water to remove some of the excess starch.
Now it feels weird to add taro into a rice pudding, but trust me, this is your secret weapon. It literally will melt in the rice pudding. Just watch. You just need a little bit of that taro.
Chop the taro into thin slices. Half cup worth of taro. Medium-high heat. Rice. Taro. 3 tablespoons cane sugar. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Pinch of salt. 1/2 cups coconut milk. Stir. Reduce down the coconut milk for 30 to 45 minutes while stirring every 5 minutes. Two cups water. Stir. Continue to stir and cook down for another 25 to 30 minutes until it reaches your preferred thickness. Serve your rice pudding hot or keep it in the fridge to serve cold the next day. Top your rice pudding with fresh chopped mango. You can now make this flavorful rice pudding with absolute confidence.
Just a few ingredients, but a little bit of patience. You can make this incredible rice pudding. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.